Top three takeaways, I would say, are first of all is the ecosystem that we have been building along the development of the project. It is very essential that everyone is involved in a deployment of a project like this one, from regulators to the local authorities to the technology providers, as well as the consortium members that were involved in the project. The second takeaway is the quality of the deployment that has been put in place and that has been recognized through the Tier 8 achievement that has been recognized by the SESAR JU evaluation team. And the third takeaway is that this is opening doors for future projects and opportunities for us. So we have been already talking to some of the eVTOL companies to see how can we roll out this for further to enable some of their operations and some of their movements in the area. And this will leave a kind of a good legacy for this project to bringing in more kind of insights into what's happening in Shannon area and especially the Shannon Airport and all the activities around us.